Good fights, bad fights. Legendary struggles that shall go down in the annals of history. I've seen them all. But that night, I bore witness to the extreme spectaculosity of two titans in the ring with one throw.
A great shot landed. What a stunning punch to the head. Boom, you'll feel that one. Nice flip. A massive hit. On the end of a real bomb there.
The kid came to me, and I gave him the keys to the kingdom. The Don Kingdom, baby.
Almost there. Keep it up.
The kid needed some work, and I had some great fights lined up for him. So now everyone can get a chance to see what the kid was really made of. Did he have the intestinal fortitude to go all the way and claim his dreams? Or would he crumble and disappear?
That's it. It's over.